one of the ways to look at this exciting industry, the printing industry and the consumer peripheral industry, is that you have to first understand its ecosystem. It's not just about printers and cartridges and all that. It is a very simple and connected ecosystem, and in that ecosystem, connectivity is very important. What do I mean by that? The telecommunication network is equally important as much as the printer. Your printer may be in Guwahati and you may be printing documents which are in Delhi, and it is connected over the cloud. You may be printing documents without actually having the documents. The documents are already in the cloud. You just press a button from your mobile phone and the printing starts in Delhi, and you may be in Bhubaneswar, you may be in Chennai, God knows where you'd be. So it's connectivity, the telecommunication network, and the terminal device, which is the printer, and the initiating device, which could be as simple as thing as the smartphone.
Basically, I just want to let you know that high-end printer distribution in India is poised for a growth. It's growing every year. Is growing, and the challenges and the growth, the challenges which is that is a distribution. So distribution, the challenges basically on distribution, we need to work together with the OEMs and the distributor, so that the logistics challenges can be taken care. And then especially
we have 260 plus service center across the country. So we are offering services to Pan India, be it small villages or maybe metro cities or maybe rural areas. So we are offering installation and on-site support on all our products, and installation support on all products apart from which doesn't have Wi-Fi and networks.
First of all, we are talking about Make in India. The biggest problem for us, like we are fighting with the China or other company for manufacturing, that we don't have components. We don't have component factories. So we have to source this. We are still dependent on the many other countries, right? Right now, like Sir said, Joshi ji said, that we need a distribution model. So why we are limited to distribution over India only? Let's talk about other markets which are surrounding us, like Nepal, the SAARC countries. You will just say the boundaries we are sharing with all countries. We have those markets as well, right? So distribution, if you have to compete with the world, then we need a component level factories to compete with the world.
Make in India bolo या manufacturing bolo, it's more a emotion oriented than actually practically possible. जो सच है वो यही है. मतलब अपने लिए भी मैं कह सकता हूँ कि भाई इतने साल के बाद भी कह सकता हूँ कि प्रोडक्ट है इसलिए फैक्ट्री है इसलिए प्रोडक्ट है, ये शायद कहना गलत हो जाएगा, झूठ हो जाएगा. तो इट्स मोर एन इमोशन, और उसी इमोशन के कंटिन्यूएशन में जैसे इनको कह रहे थे कि गट फीलिंग की बात कर रहे थे कि और आगे बढ़ के आने की बात कर रहे थे कि फॉर द लास्ट 2 years वी आर मतलब प्लानिंग टू सेटअप अ मेगा फैक्ट्री एट जम्मू, जिसमें 150-200 करोड़ रुपए की इन्वेस्टमेंट है. और बट समहाउ उसमें कुछ लीगल कुछ और इश्यूज़ है, उसके चलते नहीं हो रहा है. लेकिन हाँ, हमारा सोचना भी यही है. जैसे मैंने कहा इमोशन है, तो उसमें मेरा भी यही सोचना था कि यार हमने भी यही सोचा कि चलो यार इस मेक इन इंडिया की मुहिम के अंदर हमारा भी मतलब जैसे राम सेतु के बनने में गिलहरी का एक कंट्रीब्यूशन था, जिसे याद किया जाता, तो उसी कंट्रीब्यूशन को की बात कर सकते हैं बस.
Now it's pretty long back when India signed an agreement called ITA-1, which practically put tariffs at zero. India was really not prepared. That was also the nemesis of the display, where we used to be one of the best in CRT manufacturing, the cathode ray tube, picture tubes, and we just gave the entire industry on platter to China. But having said that, I think now things are getting different. We have a government whose intent is not questionable at all. They're trying their level best. Probably they've started from top down. But what Virender said, it has to come bottoms up, at the component level.
Like, there are certain challenges that as a manufacturer we experience, like you create something that is made for a certain different type of product, and then the original product becomes obsolete, which is one of the major challenges that we face. And for example, like we create we manufacture keyboard skin. So earlier what we used to do was that we used to manufacture for desktop keyboards. Now the market for desktop keyboards became smaller and smaller, whereas the laptops became more and more. Then there came the challenges that the laptops became slimmer, thinner, and then the finishes they used to be more like plastic based, now they're more metallic based. And the frames and everything, it's a different material altogether. So you have to make a product which is more suited to the future, how it's moving towards the next gen of the laptop.